Who doesn't love a good hammock? There's nothing quite like lounging in a comfy hammock, reading a good book, and admiring the stunning landscapes in front of your eyes. But they're not the easiest piece of camping gear to set up, especially when you can't find two trees that are close enough for a hammock. There are many products available to choose from. Best portable hammock stand, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did deep research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best portable hammock stand from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Solopod Hammock Stand. Solopod Hammock Stand is a good option if you want a sturdy hammock stand that will work with double hammocks. It's made from powder-coated steel for excellent durability, and it's got a maximum weight capacity of 400 pounds. The Solopod hammock stand is very easy to set up, thanks to quick release buttons. You don't need any tools to put this hammock stand together, so you can easily set it up virtually anywhere. The main downside of the hammock stand is the weight. It's quite heavy at 63 pounds, and it's certainly not one of the most portable options out of the bunch. You don't even get a carry bag with this hammock stand, so it's definitely not a good option if you need something you can bring on hikes. On the other hand, if you're fine with transporting gear to the campsite in a wagon, or you just need a sturdy stand for car camping, the Solopod is one of the highest quality hammock stands you can get. Number 2. Lazy Days Hammock Stand. The Lazy Days hammock stand is made from steel, and it's got a maximum weight capacity of 450 pounds. It's compatible with both double and single hammocks, and it's got multiple holes in the arms, so you can easily adjust the height and position of the hammock. A hammock is included in the purchase of this stand, making this a great option if you're looking for a budget solution. The price varies depending on the color, but in most cases, you can find this stand for under $100, sometimes even under $90, which is just amazing value for money. The Lazy Days hammock stand weighs some 28 pounds, and it comes with a convenient carry bag. It's not the lightest option on the market, but it's certainly not one of the heaviest options either. It's a great weight for a hammock stand in this price range, and what makes it even better is that you can set it up without any tools, thanks to the quick release buttons. Pros: carry bag and hammock included. Durable steel construction. Great value for money. Cons: not as lightweight as some other options. Number 3. Sunnights Hammock Stand. The Sunnights hammock stand is an option to consider if you want a sturdy steel stand that can possibly hold 3 adults. It's got a maximum weight capacity of 550 pounds, which is enough to support 3 average-sized adults. The stand fits hammocks ranging from 9.5 to 14 feet, so it's perfect for use with bigger hammocks. Also, the design of this stand means that it feels very sturdy, which is essential for a comfortable hammock camping experience. You can set this up easily without any tools, thanks to the quick-release spring snap buttons, and you should know that the hanging hardware is included. The carry bag isn't included with the purchase of the Sunnights hammock, and that's one of the major downsides. Also, the stand weighs about 33 pounds, so it's right on the limit of portable. Campers who are used to carrying bulky gear might be able to carry this for a short period, but it's definitely not lightweight enough to be carried on hikes. Pros: easy setup without tools. Great for larger hammocks. Sturdy and durable. Cons: on the heavier side. The carry bag is not included. Number 4. Best Choice Products Hammock Stand. The Best Choice Products hammock stand is a unique option. It's got a wheel so you can easily transport the stand once you've set up the hammock, and it's the only such hammock stand featured in this review. It's also under $100, which makes it a good option for campers on a tighter budget. This hammock stand is made from durable steel, and it weighs around 28.5 pounds. It's not the lightest hammock stand you can get your hands on, but it's lightweight enough to be a decently portable stand. Also, this hammock stand has a maximum weight capacity of 450 pounds, making it a great option for double hammocks. It will fit any hammock up to 9 feet, and it's compatible with all the different hammock styles. Also, it's possible to assemble and break down this hammock stand without any tools, and it comes with a convenient carry bag for excellent portability. Crushes a wheel for easy mobility. Tool-free setup and takedown. Suitable for single and double hammocks. Number 5. Tranquillo Universal Collapsible Hammock Stand. The Tranquillo hammock stand is a great option if you're looking for a portable stand that comes with a hammock. This stand is made from durable steel, and it weighs only 22.5 pounds. It might not be the lightest stand out of the bunch, but it's certainly not one of the heaviest options either. This is a great weight for an affordable steel hammock stand, and it helps that it collapses very easily for transport. The carry bag is also included with the Tranquillo stand, and you can easily fit the included hammock inside it as well. The included hammock is a double, and this stand is also compatible with other double hammocks. Its height and width can be adjusted, so it shouldn't be too hard to make this. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.